Now I will show you how to make Lotus star folding art. For Lotus star folding art, I will take one bath towel only. Now fold the towel, make it half, and lie down on bed. And now fold them for every corner, like 4 corners. Like this. Now you will turn it upside down. Make it very slowly and carefully. Again, I will fold from 4 corners. Now I will unfold the 4 corners like this. Now it is done.